Hi, this is Dr. Nat Moultrie, and in this video, I will be discussing peer-reviewed articles. Peer-reviewed articles. But before I get started, please like and subscribe to this channel. Please like, subscribe, and share. Thank you. So what are peer-reviewed articles? Peer-reviewed articles are scholarly publications that undergo a rigorous evaluation process by experts or peers that are in the same field before publication. Peer-reviewed articles are scholarly publications. So what are scholarly publications? Another name for scholarly publication is academic articles or scholarly articles. And scholarly publications refers to written works that are created and published by experts and scholars in specific academic or professional fields. Now, these publications are characterized by their rigorous publications, research, formal style, and are typically intended for a specialized audience of scholars, researchers, or professionals. Now, there are diversities or types of peer-reviewed publications, both in academia and research. You have 1, academic journal, 2, conference proceedings, research reports, dissertations and thesis, and then you also have what they call online preprint servers. So what are academic journals? Academic journals are the most common type of peer-reviewed publications. Now, they contain research articles, reviews, and scholarly content in various fields. There are academic journals in business. There are academic journals in accounting. The list that you see here is just a very brief and short list. There are so many more, but I'm going to go through them. I'm just going to name them. You have the Academy of Management Journal, Academy of Management Learning and Education, Academy of Management Perspectives, Academy of Management Review. You have your Business Ethics Quarterly, the Business Strategy and the Environment, California Management, Harvard Business Review. And in accounting, you have Accounting and Business Research. You have the Accounting Review, Accounting and Finance Journal, Journal of Accountancy, International Journal of Accounting and Finance. You also have the Journal of Accounting Research. Now, this is just a brief introduction to some of the academic journals in business and accounting. The second one is conference proceedings. Conference proceeding is another type of peer-reviewed publications, okay, where you can actually have access to. So conference proceedings compile papers and presentations from academic conferences. Now, these papers often undergo peer review before inclusion. Okay, now you will have some of the organizations, some of the conferences in the different fields, business and accounting. They will have sometime either annual, quarterly, or biannual conferences. And a lot of the times these reports or conference proceedings will be available to students through a database. The third is research reports. Now, research reports are publication by research organizations, institutions, or government bodies. So you can access peer-reviewed reports from an academic body or government bodies, okay? They may include peer-reviewed research findings. Here you see a list of well-known research organizations and institutions that produce reports related to business and accounting. You have the Institute of Management Accountants, the American Institute of Certified Public Accountants, Deloitte, PricewaterhouseCoopers, Ernst & Young, and KPMG. You have the National Bureau of Economic Research, the Financial Accounting Standards Board, or FASB, the International Accounting Standards Board, the CFA Institute, the Association for Financial Professionals, and the Institute of Internal Auditors. Now, this is just a few, but there are many, many more. Another type of peer-reviewed publication resource is dissertation and thesis. Now, dissertations and theses are written by, of course, graduate students, and they often contain original research. And they do, especially dissertations, undergo peer review before acceptance, okay? Because some schools, some colleges may not publish students' theses, but definitely dissertations. The other type of peer-reviewed publications resource is the online preprint service. Now, some disciplines use preprint service to share research before peer review. While not peer-reviewed, they can be valuable. They can still be valuable, a valuable resource or sources for the latest research, okay? So the key takeaway from these slides that you saw on the types of peer-reviewed publications, you see that they can take various forms, from your traditional journals to conferences, proceedings, and also to online sources, okay? So those slides that you have seen, they aim to inform you about the different types of peer-reviewed publications that you may encounter as a researcher in your research, illustrating the diversity of scholarly resources available in the field of business and accounting. So the next topic I would like to discuss are databases. Databases. Now, there are several reputable databases where you can find peer-reviewed articles in the fields of business and accounting. And here are just a few of them that you see here. Okay, you have your EBSCOhost Business or Business Source Complete. Now, this database is comprehensive. It offers a wide range of business-related journals and magazines. It includes scholarly articles, industry reports, and many, many, many more. You have your ProQuest. ProQuest provides access to a vast collection of business and economic literature, including peer-reviewed articles, including dissertations and working papers. You have your JSTOR. JSTOR contains an extensive collection of academic journals in various disciplines, including business and accounting. It offers a historical perspective on research in these fields. You see Science Direct on the list, okay? Now, this database covers a broad spectrum of scientific research. It contains many peer-reviewed articles from reputable journals. You have your Web of Science. Web of Science is a multidisciplinary database that includes the Social Sciences Citation Index, Web of Science, it allows you as a researcher to find peer-reviewed articles, track citations, and assess an article's impact. The next on the list is PubMed. Now, PubMed, although it's primarily focused on life sciences and medicine, PubMed also includes journals related to health economics, healthcare management, and other business-related topics. You have Scopus. Scopus is another multidisciplinary database that covers business and accounting research. It provides access to scholarly articles. You have access to conference papers and many, many, many more. Emerald Insight. Emerald Insight is known for its business, management, and accounting journals, which often include peer-reviewed articles. It's a valuable resource for those type of research. You have your Business and Company Resource Center, or GALE. Now, this database provides access to business-related content, including peer-reviewed articles, industry information, and company profiles. Sage Journals. Sage publishes a wide range of academic journals in business, management, and accounting. And many of the articles that you will find there are peer-reviewed. And last but not least, you have Springer Link. Now, Springer Link offers access to journals, books, and conference proceedings in various fields, including business and finance. Now, these are just a few of the many databases that you as a researcher have or could access to conduct your research. These are just a few of the databases. But I would say that you should reach out to your college or university's media center for assistance, because your media center may not have all of the databases that you will need. However, they can direct you to where you should go. Okay, thank you so much for watching this video on peer-reviewed articles. I hope it helps in you conducting your research. So don't forget to comment, like, subscribe, and share this video. Again, this is Dr. Annette Moultrie, and I'll see you again in the next video.